Welcome to ProKitchen University, an online video tutorial series, version 11.05. Introducing a new, exciting, and unique distressing feature for wood grain textures. Show off your distressed designs with ProKitchen's enhanced 3D rendering of 22 new distressing techniques that can be applied individually or in combination to any wood finish. In this video, we will provide an overview of available distressing techniques shown in 3D. Enable a distressed finish technique in global options, and adjust the appearance of the applied distressing with the Randomize Wood tool. Distressing techniques that are now available in ProKitchen version 11.05 include distressing, light to medium application of a combination of distressing techniques, distressing heavy, heavy application of multiple distressing techniques, all holes, random placement of holes created by an awl, bird scratches, clusters of light scratches that mimic bird claws, bird pecks, loosely clustered shallow holes, buffer marks, shallow indentions made with a buffer, chisel, hand-applied marks with a chisel, cracks, cracks created while retaining cabinet integrity, dents and nicks, shallow and deep markings to mimic wear and tear, eased edges, buffed down profile edges for a worn, aged look, fly speck, randomly applied small dark specks, gouges, random shallow to deep gouges, joint cuts, exaggerated cuts along the joints, knife scratch, randomly placed cuts with a knife, nail marks, impressions of nails as if from reclaimed wood, planer marks, groups of parallel markings created by a hand planer, rasp marks, randomly applied marks made by hand with a rasp, sanding, uneven sanding to reveal unfinished wood at profile edges, screw, screw impressions as if from reclaimed wood, wire brushing, closely grouped scratches made with a wire brush, wormholes, closely grouped holes that appear as worm-eaten wood, and worn corners, worn down corners to mimic years of age and use. To apply distressing techniques at any time during the design process, navigate to the Global Options icon found on the toolbar. Left-click the icon to open the panel. Scroll through the list of the available global specifications. When you arrive at Finish Technique, left-click to access the Finish Selections options. Here, you will see two options, None and Click to Select. Double left-click the Click to Select option to launch a pop-up dialog box that will display all the available distressing options. Scroll through the list with either the rollerball on the mouse or the slider on the right. To make a selection, left-click the box to the left of the option. You may select an individual texture or a combination of textures. After the appropriate distressed textures have been marked, left-click OK to finalize your selection. When you have finished selecting all the required global options, close the panel and continue designing. Every cabinet placed will now have a randomized application of the selected distressed textures that will create a realistic view of the final product. If you would like to adjust the application of the selected distressed textures on a specific cabinet, right-click on the cabinet to access the right-click menu. Hover down to Randomize Wood and left-click to select. This tool will randomize not only the appearance of the wood grain, but also the applied distressed finishes, giving you even more control on the appearance of the 3D rendering. Now, with ProKitchen's exciting new wood grain distressing techniques feature, you can create a more accurate representation and provide a high-quality 3D rendering to show off designs with a rustic touch. Thank you for visiting ProKitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.